This question is from steady state analysis. It is asked in GATE EC 2000, and here circuit is given 1 kilo ohm in parallel with this 10 microfarad capacitor. The input voltage applied to this circuit is 3 plus 4 sine of 100t. Then find output voltage V0t. So first of all, we will use the property of LTI system, standard LTI system. For sinusoidal input is given, there is some change in magnitude as well as phase, but frequency remains same. So here frequency is 100t, omega is 100. So I can write the whole, I will first convert this whole equation in S domain. So this will be 1000, it will become 1 by Cs. It is 1 upon S into 10 raised to minus 6. So it will be 10 raised to 6 divided by 10s, 10 raised to 5 divided by s. This is Vi of s, this is V0 of s. Now if we write transfer function, V0 of s divided by Vi of s will be, current I of s is flowing from both. So V0 s divided by Vis is equal to 10 raised to 5 divided by s divided by 1000 plus 10 raised to 5 divided by s. So this s will become here 10 raised to 5 divided by 10 raised to 5 plus 1000 s. So it will be 10 raised to 5 divided by 1000 s plus 10 raised to 5 divided by 1000. If I take 1000 common, this 1000 and this is 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5 divided by 10 raised to 3 is 100, 10 raised to 2, s plus 100. So V0 of s upon Vi of s is 100 upon s plus 100. If we find magnitude of this, first of all I will put s is equal to j omega. Then V0 of j omega divided by Vi of j omega will be 100 divided by j omega plus 100. And magnitude of this is 100 divided by under root of omega square plus 100. And phase is phi is equal to minus of tan inverse of omega divided by 100. Now omega is equal to given, omega is 100 given already in input. So put the value of omega in m. We will get m is equal to 100 divided by 100 square plus 100. So it will be 100 divided by, this will be 100 square, I forgot. Here we will find magnitude. So it will be j omega plus 100, and while finding magnitude it will be omega square plus 100 square. So magnitude will come out as 1 upon root 2. And phase is minus tan inverse of 100 by 100. It will be minus pi by 4, that is 45 degree. Now our V0 is 3 as it is DC, so that there is no frequency for DC, it is always 0. So 3 will remain as it is. 3 plus 4 into m, that is this magnitude, divided by root 2. Sine of 100t, frequency will remain same, and phase is minus 45, so minus pi by 4. So the final answer for our analog voltage output of this circuit is V0 is equal to 3 plus 4 by root 2 sine of 100t minus pi by 4. I will explain again what I have did here. First of all, this circuit is given and VIT, that is input voltage, is also given. In such circuit, what happen? In this simple RC circuit, frequency of input as well as output voltage will remain same, but there is some change in magnitude and phase. So find V0t. First of all, I have converted this in S domain, 1000 10 raised to 5 by S, and using transfer function V0 s by Vis is equal to 10 raised to 5 by S divided by 1000 plus 10 raised to 5 by S. So after adjusting, we will left with 100 by S plus 100. Then find put S is equal to j omega, then 100 divided by j omega plus 100. Find magnitude is equal to 100 divided by omega square plus 100 square, and phase is minus tan inverse of omega by 100. Then this m is 100 divided by 100 square plus 100 square. If I put omega is equal to 100, then m is equal to 1 upon root 2 and phase is minus pi by 4, that is minus 45 degree. Then just multiply magnitude and this phase, add this phase. V naught is equal to 3 plus 4 by root 2 sine of 100t minus pi by 4. Here 3 is DC term, so it will remain as it is. So final answer is V naught is equal to 3 plus 4 by root 2 sine of 100t minus pi by 4. Same property is used in LTI system. In signal and system, such questions are asked. These are the basic properties of LTI system.